weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Homeworth, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Homeworth, East Rochester, Guilford Lake State Park, Salem, Millport, Salineville, Latonia, Lisbon, Columbiana, Wellsville, Beaver Creek State Park, East Palestine. This will impact the following highways: Interstate 376 between mile markers 31 and 43. Interstate 76 between mile markers 8 and 19. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for western Maryland and east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana County, Ohio,